Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 007 First Light and your game is stuck on a black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 007 First Light stuck on black screen easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to click onto drivers here and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series and then operating system. After that click find here and now it will search for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done, you're going to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and install it. Now onto AMD, you're going to go into amd.com, click resources and support, drivers. Then you're going to scroll down, click graphics here, click Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, click your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers and install them. Now onto Intel, you're going to go into intel.com, click onto support, download center then, and then you're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A770 for example, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. After you're done downloading and installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the games platform. You're going to right click on 007 First Light, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. After you do that, it will verify your game's files and now you should be able to play 007 First Light and you'll see that your game will not be stuck on that black screen problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.